Open black lens bracket 3-in-1 multi-function DP adapter. Close black lens bracket. Send a video signal from a laptop, computer, or another source device with a Displayport output port to a projector, monitor, or HDTV with an HDMI, DVI or VGA input port. Notes: you can only use one interface at a time. Open black lens bracket supports high resolution up to 4K. Close black lens bracket. HDMI and DVI port supports resolutions up to 3840x2160 at 30Hz, 4K. Please use a HDMI 2.0 cable or standard 18+1 DVI cable in order to enjoy the 4K resolution. VGA support resolutions up to 1920x1200 at 60Hz. All ports support mirroring and extended desktop modes. VGA port supports Eyefinity. Open black lens bracket audio and video synchronous output via HDMI. Close black lens bracket. Transmits high-definition audio and video via HDMI, without need to add audio cable, providing amazing sound quality for better entertainment and wonderful experience in watching movie. DVI VGA port has no audio function. Open black lens bracket plug and play port protection. Close black lens bracket. This simple plug and play adapter converter does not require drivers for installation. Very easy to use and carry. Displayport connector with latches provides a secure connection and with a release button that must be depressed before unplugging. Open black lens bracket quality assurance. Close black lens bracket. Our products will provide you with a 18 months quality assurance and experienced technical support team. Even if the Amazon after-sales window closes, you can still get after-sales and support through Bellinlink. If you have any questions or concerns about this product, please do not hesitate to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Works well and does what it advertises. I buy these by the dozen for installations where the computer or monitor in use are not the original configuration. If you replace the computer tower and keep the old monitor, these are perfect for the old VGA-only monitors. The great thing is that you do not need to keep 3 different adapters in your bag. Great product and simple to use.